Hi there, this is Gabriela. Let me explain you how to add image inside of any article. Okay, when you open to create a new campaign, the first thing you need to do is activate the advanced mode. This is doing right click on any of this area, on the gray area, click here, and then after that it's gonna show up all these features. Okay, on this area we're going to here the image. We can add it before or after, and what we need to do is add the image URL. Really simple. You go to the image you want to add, right click, copy link address, then go back here and insert. That's gonna be the right way to do it. Okay, thank you. Until next time, bye.